Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at WeatherBot. This bot is able to understand statements like how is the weather in Austin. To do this, first log in into your AmplifyReach Catalyst Platform account. Go to Bot Studio, My Conversation. If you don't have an account, just go to AmplifyReach.com and sign up for free. Now getting back to WeatherBot. The first thing that we are going to do is to identify an intent. For this, we have added a node, an intent node, okay, and we have given it intent get weather. So an intent is nothing but training examples on how the user would communicate to express their intent. So let's say if I have to ask the bot for regarding the weather information, I may say how hot is it today in Austin? Is it cloudy today in New York? How is the weather in Pune? Similarly, we have added different training examples out here. Then the next step, what we have done is we have tried to fetch the city information, and we have storing that information within the variable name called as location. The entity type associated with this variable name is location. So when the bot encounters the statement like how is the weather in Austin, it understands that the intent is to fetch the weather information and the location provided for this weather information is Austin. As we are already added a node for entity type location, the bot automatically extracts the location from the statement and assigns it to the location variable. And in that case, it will skip the statement as please enter the city. In other case, if the user would have entered how is the weather, and here it identifies that it's an intent for fetching weather information, but the location information is not provided by the user, which is required. So it goes ahead and asks please enter the city. What we have done on this node is also we have integrated an trigger. A trigger is an easy way to integrate third-party APIs. So here we have an API to fetch the weather information where we have passed the location. There are different parameters out here which helps the platform to communicate with the API. There's a beautiful documentation for trigger available on AmplifyReach.com. You can go ahead and take a look at this to understand how different tabs can be utilized. What we have done is from the response that we get from the API, we are storing them into the mapping keys, which are then consumed in the different node where we are going to display the message. So then the third node that we have added is to display the information back. So whatever information that we have received as part of the weather API execution, we are just publishing it out here to the end user. Now let's look at this in action. So we are going to do a tryout. Currently my system is already trained, otherwise you'll see a yellow bar where it will train all the intent that is there that you have provided. So let us try out how's the weather in Austin. Okay, so what has happened is that it is able to identify the intent, and as we have already provided Austin as part of the statement, it has not asked us to please enter the city. Rather, it has taken Austin and stored in the variable location, and as you can see, it has printed today's weather in Austin is, and the weather information. And that's it. There is a lot of documentation available on AmplifyReach.com resources chatbot, and you can take a look at all the different information for building conversation. Similarly, the sample workflows are also mentioned out here. If you have any questions, please write to us at support@amplifyreach.com. Thank you.